Rothenburg Germany is one of the favorite towns in Europe because it has so much medieval beauty, well-preserved medieval old town and lot of attracting spots. In this video we will walk through the city and try to cover the best sites in as little as a day. Medieval Crime Museum Rothenburg is one of the favorite spots. This medieval crime museum covers over 1,000 years of medieval law history and some sensational criminal cases covering the persecution in Bavaria. You may find here the instruments used for torture, shaming, and punishment. The Church of St. James is the most important church in Rothenburg and was finished in 1485 after 170 years of building. Church of St. James was dedicated to the Apostle St. James, who was martyred by beheading in Jerusalem in 44 AD. St. James holds an important part in Rothenburg's history. Kathy Wolfart's Christmas market is also quite interesting place. It is located in the center of the medieval town of Rothenburg. According to the tourism site for the state of Bavaria, the unique Christmas store with more than 30,000 traditional German Christmas decorations has attracted millions of tourists from all over the world. The Delight Advent Market has been going on in Rothenburg since the 1400s, helping it to become known as Christmas Town. Planlein Corner is the most iconic image of Rothenburg. Planlein Corner is extremely beautiful no matter day or night all over the year. When Smith Road reaches Planlein Corner, the path splits into a lower road and higher road which lead to either of the two gorgeous medieval watchtowers. Lower road leads to the Tauber River Valley. Higher road leads to the delightful Infirmary Quarter. Rothenburg is famous for Schneeball Pastry. The Schneeball Pastry, or snowball in English, is the most iconic food item in Rothenburg and dates back to the 1700s. Do not forget to try it when you are in Rothenburg. Rothenburg ob der Tauber is also famous for its huge medieval city wall with watchtowers and gates circles. With some homes dating back to the 900s, the city is packed with colorful buildings from the Middle Ages and storybook half-timber architecture. Huge towers at Rothenburg's town hall has been a very important part of the city's defenses over the centuries. Rothenburg grew to be the second largest city in Germany in 1400 with more than 6,000 residents living in the town. Thank you for watching.